So how to show FPS or CPU GPU uses on your Samsung device when you play any game. To enable this option, open your open setting and all the way down, then you can see the developer option. If you don't see the developer option, simply go to about phone and go to software information. Then here you can see the build number. Press the build number 7 times, then your developer mode will be enabled. Now go to your developer option. Now go all the way down or search GPU watch. If you don't see, then let's go manually. MNOPQRA. Sorry. Here it is, GPUs. Press on GPUs, then just enable this option, and here you can see the FPS. So how you show, you can also show like large or small, and if you want to add more value, then you can also add value here. So once done, press on OK, and if you go back, your GPU and FPS is showing like that. That's it. Thank you.